Hey everyone, welcome back. Before we start learning Google Cloud, the first thing we need to do is to create a Google Cloud account, right? So in this video, I will quickly show you how to create a free tier Google Cloud account setup step by step, right? So if you are a beginner or if you are from non-tech background, so do not worry at all. This is a one-time setup and I will definitely keep it very simple as possible. Right, so basically, Google Cloud gives you a $300 of free credits, and the credit is valid for 90 days, right? And along with that, there are some service means which you can use it after the 90 days period or when your $300 becomes to an end, right? And one more thing, to create an account, what are the prerequisites? So here we need a valid email account. It could be Gmail or Ymail or your company's account. That doesn't matter here, but it should be a valid email account, right? And then there should be a valid credit or the debit card needed, right? So these are the prerequisites to create a free tier Google account. And this point, valid credit or debit card, but what as per my knowledge, I think like it depends on region to region. In other regions you can create an account with other payment, the payment details also, but in India I think this is the most used payment information we can provide. So so let me go to Google Chrome browser and let me just type Google Cloud, right? And then we can see the first link here. You can directly go to console.cloud.google.com, means straight URL. That's not at all an issue, right? Perfect. Now here we can see a button like get started for free. So as soon as you land on this page, click on this button, get started for free. So Google may ask you to add a debit card or credit card for validation in future. Do not worry, like you will not be charged unless you manually upgrade your account or exceeded the free limits. This will not happen. I mean, $300 is more than enough to learn the Google Cloud for your certification examination, right? So now let's enter the email address. At gmail.com. You can give your email address here and click on next. Let's click on sign in. Because I have already created an account, this is just for your demonstration so that you can just refer the steps and go ahead. And it's simple, guys. I mean, it's just a straightforward. There is no trick as well here. You can enter your password, that is your Gmail password. And then click on next. It will take some time. And there we go. All right, so this is a very important step. So basically there are two steps. This is step number 1 and there is one more step, step number 2, which will take your payment information, right? You just select your country and you can just have a quick glance here, like 300 in free credit, access to Google Cloud products and services, no automatic charges, and so on. These are all self-explanatory, guys. Let's click on agree and continue. Right now in this step 2, you have to provide your valid payment information. So first we have to fill the contact information. You just click on the plus icon here and provide your organization. Basically, if you are learner, then just select the individual and you can give your name. Street address is important, right? So you can give your apartment name and city name and all, and a valid PIN code, and just select the state here of where your PIN code belongs to. Just click on save. So at the first step, your your contact information is saved. Next comes very important part, right? So here we need to add your payment information. So let's click on this plus icon, and here you will be asked for two options. Oh, that's great. I mean, in India we have we can just create with QR code as well, but I have never tried it, so I don't think you should not try, but always keep a safer side. Let's click on the plus icon to add credit or debit card, because this is very simple, guys, right? We don't know, because how this works I have not tried, so I am not in the right position to say you should not try. You may try it, but always I go for a safe bet, that is add a credit or debit card. Click on this. Here you can enter your valid debit card or credit card number, and provide your card details like CVV and whatever the information they have mentioned in this pop-up, and you can give your card holder name, and let's click on save card. Right now I'm going to just stop this here, because I have already created the account and I have already filled the credit details for my existing account. So once you just click on save card, later the steps are very simple, means they will ask you for OTP, and you have to just proceed. There is a single way, there is no other tricks here. And I think as a part of this amount of ₹1, I mean, as per India is concerned, a minimum amount of ₹1 or 2 will be deducted from your bank account. I mean, for where you have given your card, right? It could be maximum ₹2, right? I'm not sure it's ₹1 or ₹2, just as a part of confirmation. And as soon as this got confirmed, you will be directly taken to the Google Cloud console, right? So let me show you how that console looks like. Yep, let's move to the console. All right, so as soon as your account is successfully created, after all the banking related formalities are done, so you will be taken to this home screen. And this is not my first time here. That's the reason I am not able to see like congratulations, or this is your free trial, and this is the amount you have into your Google Cloud credit points, and then how many days left, and also this information will come for the very first time. So if you see this, congratulations, your account is ready and you can start using the Google Cloud for your practice purpose. Now let me go to just the menu here. For the beginning it looks quite overwhelming, but what I suggest is do not think too much about all the services as soon as you create the account, because means that curiosity will be there, of course, right? Like you want to just explore the cloud as soon as you create the account, right? Definitely it's a very long journey. We are going to do that in great detail. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubts, just put it in the comments. We can solve it out, because I will tell you where the majority of the issue comes, right? So you have to make sure the if you are using credit or debit card, you have to make sure is the bank allows you to go for international transaction, because that is the point where I got stuck. Okay, that is one of the thing. Okay, most of the times what happens is you you have to log into your bank account and make sure that your card or your bank is allowing you to perform the international transactions. Okay, irrespective of the amount is like it's nothing, means ₹1 or 2, right? So that is one of the reason you should take care, right? Perfect. So that's all in this video. I hope it's pretty much clear right now. So in the next session we'll see we'll continue our discussion on Google Cloud, because we have just created the account. From now onwards, our real journey on understanding the Google Cloud and exploring its services, and we should be ready to become a Google certified professional data engineer. Thanks for watching and see you in the next session.